My most profitable investing and trading tool is Gann's swing chart, and in this video I'll explain why that is and how I use it. If you're not familiar with W.D. Gann, he was a legendary trader from over 100 years ago who made millions out of the market using techniques, tools and strategies of his own. Googling W.D. Gann will spit out loads of search results which focus on astrology and forecasting, but first and foremost, Gann was a trader whose results are relatively unparalleled. Proof of this is in a report by Richard Wyckoff, who watched Gann trade for 25 market days, and in that time, Gann made 286 trades, with 264 of them showing a profit, and he doubled his startup capital by 10 times. I can say with confidence that the main reason for Gann's success is his swing chart, which is exactly what I'll show you now. There are swing charts and other Gann indicators in TradingView, but we were unable to find anything that is accurate, nor are there any multi-bar swing charts, which are the foundation for many of Gann's strategies. Because of this, we decided to make our own TIA Gann swing indicator, which is available in the free version of TradingView. Before we get to the mechanics of this indicator, it's worth noting that we have a team of developers that maintain and upgrade the indicator, a dedicated email support line, and a Discord channel where we can notify you guys, the users, of any upgrades and changes. The TIA Gann swing indicator is 100% mechanical, without any parameters or settings to tweak, and when a swing or trend is formed, it's fixed. Fixed historical data which can't get repainted eliminates the risk of curve fitting, which most traditional indicators are at risk of. The essence of the swing chart are very easy to understand. There are upswings, downswings, swing tops, and swing bottoms. The application of the TIA Gann swing indicator is also incredibly versatile. This one indicator determines the trend on any market and any time frame, and the swing tops and bottoms give key areas of support and resistance. Knowing these price zones and swings helps with setting entry stops, stop losses, profit targets, and managing trades. If you've ever wondered if the trend is up, down, or transitioning, the TIA Gann swing indicator has an inbuilt trend identification algorithm derived from Gann's techniques. The default settings show an uptrend as green or a downtrend as red, but you can change the colors or brightness as you wish. While nothing is infallible, trend traders now have a benchmark to definitively know what the trend is on any market in any time frame. You can also identify key areas of support and resistance by lining up multiple swing tops or multiple swing bottoms. A popular Gann technique is to buy when 3 near equal swing tops are exceeded, or sell when 3 near equal swing bottoms break down. And after a breakout, trend trading is typically the easiest. Another popular Gann technique to squeeze as much money out of the market as possible is to trail the swings. Trail swing bottoms when going long, or trail swing tops when going short. So no matter what fear is in the news or if interest rates are up or down, the swing chart can remove all of that noise and really help with decision making. Because the swing chart works on any market in any time frame, it can really help with long-term investing or short-term trading. You can easily determine macro bull markets or macro bear markets by tracking the weekly or monthly swings or whatever time frame suits you. Swings, trends, and breakouts are just one part of this indicator. You can also easily toggle on or off key data points such as dates, times, and prices of peaks and troughs, as well as the ranges in between. These data points can help setting price targets or time targets to suit basically any strategy. Another popular Gann technique is to measure the swing lengths in time. Using the bar count setting, you can quickly and easily identify high probability turning points when the count is 7 bars or more, which is another popular Gann technique. And for breakout traders, you can also turn on the break line setting to identify past break lines to test and also the projected break lines for the future. These features also work on any time frame, so they're sure to supercharge even the best of strategies. The TIA Gann swing indicator also takes things to the next level as you can step up to a 2-bar or 3-bar swing. Doing so effortlessly converts your chart to Gann's 2-bar and 3-bar swings. These advanced swing charts cut out even more noise and provide high probability breakouts and stronger trends. All of the support, resistance, trends, and breakout guidelines previously mentioned also apply to the multi-bar swing charts. And if that isn't enough, you can even plot multiple swing overlays on the same chart to identify those high probability breakout zones. And to identify times when multiple time frames are trending in synchronicity, you can turn on the trend confluence table. Doing so will help you quickly and easily identify the trend on 1, 2, or 3 different time frames all at once. Full disclaimer, any indicator is only as good as the person using it. There's no silver bullet, nor does this indicator provide any financial advice. Gann's swing chart is so valuable to me because it's completely mechanical and it gives me exact rules to test and apply for my trading strategies. The trend gives me market direction on any time frame, and the swing tops and bottoms give me areas of support and resistance which help me for my entries, stop losses, profit targets, and managing trades. We hold free workshops for our trading community, so to access a workshop, click that link down below and follow the steps. Our trading exchanges of choice are in the description below, and using those links gives us a kickback and it gives you larger sign-up bonuses and reduced fees. A subscription to the TIA Gann Swing Indicator is required, and you can access it on the free version of TradingView. We have links for TradingView and the TIA Gann Swing Indicator in the description below. You can try it out, cancel anytime, or subscribe for a longer term at a discounted rate. The TIA Gann Swing Indicator has a team of developers maintaining and upgrading it. There's a dedicated email support line and a Discord channel all available to you. We're confident you won't be disappointed, and it may just be that trading edge you've been looking for.